I think we discussed enough about the reason behind grounding the Boeing 737 MAX aircrafts around the world. And I already uploaded another video on June 29, 2020 about Boeing MAX 7 cleared for test flights. Just to give a quick recap, the Boeing 737 MAX has been grounded post two major fatal accidents in which a total of 346 people died. And Boeing was working hard to bring back this aircraft back to skies soon, post making all required changes and fixes in it. As per the latest update, the Federal Aviation Administration and Boeing have completed the certification test flights on the 737 MAX, which is a major key milestone towards bringing the plane's return to service. According to the FAA sources, it must still evaluate the data from the 3 days of testing that has been done till now, and it has other tasks also to be completed. The 737 MAX crisis has cost Boeing more than $18 billion, slashed the production, and hobbled its supply chain. Even though the certification tests has been completed, a number of other key tasks remain pending, and the FAA will thoroughly review the Boeing's work before allowing the plane to return to service. The lift of the grounding order will only happen after FAA are satisfied that the aircraft meets the certification standards. Not only this, the FAA must complete the data review and also approve the new pilot training procedures. The reason behind the two crashes which happened previously were due to a false report triggered by an automated system known as Maneuvering Characteristics Augmentation System, or MCAS. According to other investigations, not only the MCAS was partial to be blamed for both the crashes, but other technical malfunctions, including one involving the electrical wiring, were subsequently detected during the aircraft's modification process. Due to all these issues, all MAX aircraft manufactured since the crashes will also need to be personally inspected by the FAA staff. Boeing agreed to add significant safeguards to the MCAS system, make other software updates, and move the wiring bundles that the FAA said posed a safety hazard. Boeing needs to get the 737 MAX back in the air in order to pull itself out of this historic crisis. So let us hope Boeing goes through all pending tasks and brings back their 737 MAX in air soon. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it. And also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.